Welcome to our channel. We're going to discuss 5 things every aspiring data analyst should know. So, you're thinking about becoming a data analyst? Or maybe you're just getting started and you're not quite sure what really matters. In this video, we'll break down the 5 things every aspiring data analyst should know to help you get ahead faster with less confusion. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell if you're ready to take your first step into the world of data, as we are going to learn together data analytics from A to Z with hands-on examples absolutely free.
Number 1. You don't need to be a math genius. Let's get this straight. You do not need to be a math wizard. A lot of beginners assume data analysts are doing calculus all day. Nope. What you really need is solid logic, basic statistics, and the ability to interpret patterns. Most of the work is using tools like Excel, SQL, or Python to find trends and solve business problems, not solving equations by hand.
Number 2. SQL is your best friend. You can't really call yourself a data analyst without knowing SQL. It's how you communicate with databases, which is where all the real data lives. Think of SQL as the Google search for data. How many users signed up last month? SQL can answer that in one line.
Number 3. Excel isn't dead, it's powerful. Excel might feel basic, but companies still rely on it every day. And I mean big companies. Knowing pivot tables, VLOOKUPs, and conditional formatting can seriously make your life easier. It's also the fastest way to do ad hoc analysis, build reports, and clean small data sets.
Number 4. Data cleaning takes 60 to 70% of the work. Here's a truth bomb. Most of your time won't be analyzing, it'll be cleaning messy data. Missing values, duplicates, weird formats. Yeah, get used to it. But guess what? The cleaner your data, the smarter your insights.
Number 5. Communication code. Even if you're amazing at SQL or Python, if you can't communicate what the data means, it's game over. Companies don't just want numbers, they want insights. Why did sales drop? What's causing churn? The best analysts turn data into stories, with charts, words, and confidence.
To recap, you don't need crazy math skills. SQL is essential. Excel is still king. Cleaning data is your real job. And storytelling is your secret weapon. Master these 5 things, and you'll be miles ahead of most beginners. Which of these are you working on right now? Drop it in the comments, and let's grow together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone thinking about becoming a data analyst. New videos every week to help you learn data the smart way.